Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Onrain Tech Corner, the corner of the web where we talk about tech. And today I'm going to be unboxing this Razer, the Razer Kraken V3X. Let's get started. Okay, so here we got the headset. Let's open it up and see what we get. Okay, so what do we got here? Okay, looks like we got a little note. Looks like we got the manual. Ooh, even comes with stickers. Got a nice add-in. Yeah, it's one of those instructions that probably come in like multiple different languages. We won't open that up. And it looks like here we got the headset itself. The thing seems nicely packed. Okay. Oh. Does she ever look nice? Ooh, padding because it might feel good. Okay. It seems to pull apart nicely. And it looks like we got a cable here. But first, let's take a look at the microphone. Okay, seems to be a good enough thing. I was hoping there'll be a little piece of foam here, but that doesn't seem to be the case. Now let's open up here. Okay, here seems to be a nice long cord. Let's take this off. Oh yeah, that's going to stretch a ways. And I picked this up for the sole reason of it being USB for my YouTube channel, or new YouTube channel. Ooh, it's got a green. I wonder if that's USB 2 or USB 3. We'll do some testing on it, see how it works. And the rest seems to be packing, but what's in here? Absolutely nothing. Okay. Okay, and since I have this unboxed, I'm going to try it. Ooh, that's kind of neat, actually. I don't want to be able to hear anything when I have this on. That's going to be an interesting experience. Oh man, this is going to be great. Alright, thank you for watching my unboxing of the Razer Kraken headset. If you would like to see more videos, you can wait to the annotations at the end of the video for more suggestions. If you would like to support the channel, please hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. That'll be greatly appreciated. You can also follow me on Twitter. Handles down in the description below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video, everybody.